The RoboVac 11S launched 3 years ago, and it's one of the best affordable options that perform well in the budget vacuum lineup. Plus, 11S is an excellent choice for those who always prioritize simplicity. Its remote control, pared back features, and ultra-simple operation mean it's easy to use, and it's pretty much unseen in the budget segment. Sounds interesting? Keep watching this video to find out why it's still the budget king. Design-wise, it has a robust build. However, the slim low profile ensures it cleans under just about everything in your living space. That means, if you have low clearance furniture, RoboVac 11S is a strong option to choose. On the top of the vacuum, the oval power button doubles as an indicator light that flashes multiple colors to give you an idea about the current status. Besides, it has a bumper in front which houses its infrared sensors. It also has a large 0.6-liter dustbin, 2 spin brushes, a nose wheel, and many more. Next is performance, which does a noticeable job as robot vacuums cost twice as much. Picking up a full bin of dirt, hair, and other odds is not an issue at all. Plus, the Boost IQ suction mode automatically increases cleaning strength when the robot detects carpets. As mentioned earlier, due to being low profile, it navigates under obstacles that other vacuums cannot manage, not even handheld vacuums with a long hose. The 11S is also good at maneuvering across different types of flooring, and it can roam around the entire house if there are no obstacles on the cleaning path. But on the other hand, exciting features like 3D mapping, no-go zone, and multi-floor adoption are missing. However, it can smoothly transition between carpet and vinyl while having no problem with raised edges. Apart from all of these, this vacuum works so quietly that you barely notice its presence even if you're in the same room. And if the TV is on or the music is playing, you probably won't hear it at all. Similar to build quality, the runtime is solid too. On a single charge, it vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. However, it has 2 premium features and automatic recharging is one of them, meaning it's always ready to clean if any mess happens. If you don't need a futuristic robot vacuum that supports smartphones and voice commands, then for under $230, this gadget from Eufy is a good choice for the price. Its compact design, suction technology, ultra-quiet operation, and solid battery life makes it a no-brainer for anyone with lots of low-profile furniture. So, that was all about the Eufy RoboVac 11S. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.